video ayithona silokhu simnika vele ama video awuposta nge-account yakhe ikhuphuka account yakhe ayi1 uyayithona alright fed uKellogg's wangitshela ukuthi man shoot khuphula account yakho ndoda angeke ndoda uzosebenzela untwana uyayithona fed kimi chintshile mina ngokuzibona kwami ne ngizibona ngingasasiwile sharpshooter lo before
kanjani
nami nginokujabula yabo but mase ngizicabanga ngi1 eish ngakhumbula ukuthi uMacrisa akasekho.
So manje mina ngifuna ukubuza into ukuthi what did you notice wena kuwe echangile after like uluza umamakho? Yini into obonile ukuthi ngathi echangile ngawe besides like le energy?
Wena uhlezi uvayile le uphila nezinye yabona sale fere singazazi but uthesivula igroup yabona thina siyacava ukuthi uthesivula igroup yabo yavula igroup kahle kukhona nama dancers nani uyayithola okay ke Fede yena bekangaspan njengoba bengisho ukuthi 2021 ngikhiphe ivideo uyayithola eSheng Master yena angakaza khipha ivideo.
Hey yo, what up good people? It's your boy Lead CM. I'm the one and only Martin, and as you already know, I'm not alone today. I'm not alone. I've got the brand new from the box. Brand new. I've got Usbusiso as a co-host of the show today. Sbu, come on.
Ngimnandi wena.
Ngimnandi. And ladies and gents, yo, it's been a minute since bangfuna uSharpshooter. Okay, the guy's here now. Let's welcome uSharpshooter. Out here, come on.
Shoot sharp.
Sharp.
Ang sharp showcase.
Yeah.
Shoot sharp.
Ngiyakuthola uthami. Enhlanhla kule gama leli. Ulithola kanjani le gama leli? Is it your real name or uzikhipha nda?
No. Le gama leli la Sharpshooter shoot ngalithola ngoKhilo ayithona.
Okay.
Yeah. Shuti njengoba besicala lento leyo ukuthi Shama Rhyme eKasi ayithona. Shuti lento le masishaya yena wangitshela wathi ndoda wena uSharpshooter. Ayithona. Sharpshooter uyadla yasutha. Ayithona. Shuti lento lesayiqhubeka obviously Shama Rhyme ngithi besimnani ngama rhyme ngadla ngasutha spinach namafutha mabangishayile ngiyavutha ipapa malishisa wena uzolifufutha maliphola mina ngiyalihlutha.
Ebana.
Yeah, injalo.
Manje bathi khambani asibabulisa uthama asibabulisa bathi khambani.
Obviously bafethu bathi ngoSharpshooter ngiyadla ngiyasuthi spinach namafutha mabangishayile ngiyavutha ipapa malishisa wena uzolifufutha maliphola ngiyalihlutha ngicreator ngiactor ngidirector ngimonitor ngaqeda isikole ngakhera ngicalculator bafethu.
Izinto phela babakhohlwa. Ngakhohlwa. Uthama usuka vavela like to umuntu like mhlambe ungakucavi. Usuka vanje uthama bani uSharpshooter?
Mina ngisuke eK1 kaTlehu. Sure. Ikhumalo. Yeah. Asemall vele.
Okay.
Sure.
And what is your real name?
My real name is Itseping.
Itseping.
Shuthi imini ukuthi trust yourself.
Oh yeah, Itseping.
Themba ungathemba omunye umuntu ayithola. Sure iligama lami lena Itseping. Zithembeni.
Yeah. And like where are you from? Like usuka kuphi like emakhaya like or mhlambe you are just a city boy?
Free State. But mina umadala mubuya eLesotho.
Okay.
Sure.
Have you ever went that side?
Yeah, eQwaqwa.
Okay.
Phutha dichaba ayithola.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngada.
Manje
But
yini?
asikhaya ayithola.
Yeah.
But mangiye ngada ikasi but ayithola. Mina mangifika vele kusemakhaya. But mangi ngibona kuyikasi cause asiphile impilo le ukuthi kuyaluswa. Yeah. Kunestrata vele leki.
Into emnandi.
Yeah.
Okay.
No. Ngamngena.
No, you
Ngamngena. Okay, mina ngifuna ukubuza ke ukuthi yini yakuyenza ukuthi like qala content creation. Uthi ngiyabangena manje ngecontent.
Shithi lento lena besiyenza ithola noKhila ayithola. But yokuthi sishaye video, isikhathi sokuthi sishaye video besingekho.
Oh yeah.
Ngingasho ukuthi maybe besacwaya la by that time yabo. But ikhona into asitshela ukuthi nazini vandag ishayeni le video cause uKhila wafika kimi singangitshela ukuthi ni endoda ubonile ndoda khona enye intwana eshamala inwethu ndoda emavidweni in ngani ayithola wangisendela ne video vele ku WhatsApp mangithi ngiyabona ngiyetshela ngithi hayi intwana lezi ayithola ngeke izilunge ayithola wafika uKhilo vele kusasa kwakhona eshutha ayishube ndoda ayithola shayina ama video babone ukuthi kahle kahle lento yabo bani alright ngathi asishaya ivideo abashaya ivideo fidi ubani uRoss fidi uyo washaya ivideo ikasi ifirst video
Okay.
yeah masicida kuyishaya idlile yona but azange ya trend yabo then khona le video lesayishavele si3 vele yimi uKhilo no Kashini ephasijini aphethe ne golf stick uKashini ayithona asashaya ivideo vele si3 yadla vele le yiyo ke video ethi ukutrenda vele kakhulu vele.
That was your first ever video that trended.
Yeah.
And it got how many views?
Angisakhumbuli ithola many views but unidlile. Sure. Yi video yokuqala because of mabahlangana nathi like bebasibiza shuthi ngalamagama lawo eswakhiphe la ayithola. Unontshibongo bebangacavi ukuthi uKhelo siyabona.
Yeah.
Unontshibongo ayithola.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Because vele yiyo vele video yokuqala leya.
We posted go account kaban vele because there was this thing that was trending ukuthi like there was someone bekathatha ama video just our gatekeeper our posted go account yakhe go account yakhe
kuphela. Mina by that time bengina account ne but abingadli. Ngithola bengadli account yami. Shuthi umntwana bekashaziphi machita. Lethana ama video so postene kule account yami because nani niyabona ukuthi le video lesiya trend yabona. Obvious nami angicacela ukuthi account yami mina izosalela emuva yabo. Okay untwana uthini asithathini lama video so posteni kule account yami bangaboni ukuthi ushutha ubani uKhelo ubani uKashini ubani. Alright mina vele untwana vele ngamnika ama video ayithona. Silokhu simnika vele ama video awaposta ngeaccount yakhe ikhuphuka account yakhe ayi1 uyayithola. Alright fed uKhelo kusongitshela ukuthi man shoot khuphula account yakho ndoda angeke ndoda uzosebenzela untwana uyayithola. Futhi ke isikhathi leso ke lokho hayi manje vele like before vele sicabana naye account yakhe begcwele ama video wami uyayithola. Begcwela wami like mina bengikhipha uyayithola. Khelo kusagcina sikamkhuza athi ntwana khuphula account yakho lama likes lawa khuphuka ngada bekumele kube akhuphukela kuwe uyayithola.
Yeah.
Lapho ke account yami vele mina besase week vele sasiswaka fidi ke bengingamameli uKhelo siyabona. Ngathi nazini fede ngizoyikhuphula yabo but angayenzi leyo nto ngisafunda nama video uyayithola. Untwana ngamupha ama video until vele ngaze ngarealize ukuthi untwana ayish bekaspanisa la
Manje ukubuza urealize seka how far yena ukuthi ya hayi mele ngikhuphukise account yami angithi utho umacala ukukutshelile ukuthi mele ukhuphukise yakhe account urealize mase seka how far lo muntu lo benimgama video
shuthi before sicabana
yeah
yeah
kanti saku how many followers lapho mawubhekile
shuthi bese sekayibambile 30k
yo
bese sekayibambile 30k but ukuthi how many followers angazi but 30k sekayibambile.
Then uKhelo kusiyena bekaphusha ku account yakhe that time on bensase scheme both
yeah yena bekaphusha account yakhe naku level le kamzala uyayithola. But mina bengingaphushi kuyami bengiphusha kule kamzala vele siceda ngifaka vele ama video uyayithola. Yeah ngiposta ngayo naku TikTok futhi ke ku TikTok bengena account ngiyenze vele manje January.
Okay but angifuna sikhe phezulu ngithola mina ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi usharpshooter enhleke ukhule ngaphansi kwesandla sakabani yangithola and nanokuthi like his school days nani yangithola so ngicela sithathe siyibuyisele la yangithola.
Eske
yeah no like siyibuyisele like from endlini enhleke ukuthi like ukhula phansi kwabani and like ukhula ku situation enjani yangithola. Yeah
mina please ni umadala muthabo yabo uMakreza Mudi Makatso feeling khulise uthabo Mudi Makatso yiba bazali bami yabo mara uMakreza fedi ushonile 2 months back.
Okay
ngithola
RIP
condolences
kahle ngiyabonga abafethu sure. So ke endlini no C6 ngithola umadala uyiwe vele uthabo abo my sister bama bayi2 Tshepang noMalibu bese kuzoba nezase plazini ezi2 futhi uSteves uTebu noBoy then le A1 uTsibo bayichiftile bayise eTsakana angithi since kushona eMagriza yabo ma into encane bene trauma bayishifta bayise eTsakana sure.
And then ishintshe kanjani mhlawumbe impilo yakho nje ukuhamba like kaMagriza khona like indlela eshintshe ngayo or something personal like kweyakho nje
fele kimi kuchintshile mina ngokuzibona kwami ne ngizibona ngingasasiwuye lo sharpshooter lo before
kanjani
shuthi ekuqaleni bengu sharpshooter yayithola shuthi energy yayithola vibe yayithola lezo zinto lezo feeling ngisanazo but azisafani njenga before fela abantu angeke babona yabo but angisajabulanga njenga before because of content engiluzile ngithandayo sure.
Then ama parents athi amizikhiphani la because awubali like timer or lady angikuze ubala anything ngizwa nje
yili parents lama ngisho lelishonile then ngisele ngomadala manje but fela umadala ukhona
ngidida ukuthi ubabiza ngomadala because ngiyacabanga khona nomunye like viewer mhlambe naye ididekile mothi umadala mhlambe umuntu uzocabanga ukuthi ugogo ngiyangithola
hawo baba
yabona ngicabangela
nami for a second I also thought the same
thing njengoba ngisho ukuthi
umkhulu
uThabo ubabami
okay
uDimakatsi umama sure yibabazali bami ke lapho
yo
then umama uye lo shonile 2 months back then nongiseli nomadala nabo sisi bama bayi2 nezase plazini ezi3
okay
but le one bayichiftile amajita
so after khamba umama impilo ibenjani mfethu njengoba usho ukuthi after lapho uthe ukwehla ne-energy yakho yehla
yehla bo nasema videoini vele abantu bese sebangikhalela ukuthi ayishuthi no sosinika kancane sasiniki diwe sinika ngakhona before yabo izinto ezibhainhle kuzile zachinja vele nami nginokujabula bo but mase ngizicabanga ngi1 ngakhumbula ukuthi uMagriza kasekho yabo and ezinye izinto like sezachinja namagama emlomeni ayafuka yabo mangingena endlini sengijwayele phela mama yabo then nayo yaphendula cela ukudla mama hamba yenza ukudla or khona ukudla ngikwenzelile yabona izinto ezinjalo maye noma ngingena endlini ngivele ngifile alone yabo sure
wena nje mhlawumbe ngokwakho ukucabanga umama udlala yipi role kumntwana mfethu
shuthi mama udlala vele le role le ukuthi bekangenzela yonke into uMagriza shithi noma bengimtshela ukuthi mama ngiyejozi ewoza matsala shop yabo so shama video ama content like bekangizamela bekamake sure ukuthi uzongizamela ukuthi ngigibele ngibuye yabo but no since angasekho sekumele ngizama madala nema amadala ungaka sometimes imali yamazi madala
indoda lento iyayibonela mfana ngiyabuza ngoba omunye umntwana uthola ukuthi attached noma connected kakhulu nomama then ubaba yabo uthola ukuthi omunye uba connected nobaba
kakhulu
yabo so uma loser mhlambe lo connected naye izinto ziyashintsha impilo uyibona ngenye indlela uthola omunye SBM enza zonke lezi zinto because una layer pain layer because kuthatha isikhathi ukuheal ukuaccept ukuthi asekho umuntu oclose
it can take forever
fact so manje mina ngifuna ukubuza into ukuthi what did you notice when akuwe echangeile after like uluza umamakho yini into obonile ukuthi ngathi ichangeile ngawe besides like le energy
njengoba ngisasho nasendlini vele izinto ezibhazi chintshile yabo sure like ngisasemncane nami yabona ngiyalidinga like uthandula kamama yabo
fact
sharp so nanoma ngifika endlini like izinto ezibhazi chintshile sekuthulile yabona camera la kamama lihlezi livaliwe yabo lezi zinto lezo yithola and mina njalo mangingena uMagriza bekahlezi esendlini mangingena mama like mina ngiyarasa ngumuntu onomsindo uyayithola mangingena endlini ngiyarasa sebayezi ukuthi ayiseyifikile uyayithola so mama uyayithola lezi zinto lezi bengizithanda ngimemeza uMagriza angiphendule yabo and plus uMagriza like bekagula enye into yabo
Okay.
bekafaka ioxygen
Eish, yeah.
ngethona so enye into le but yeah yena vele bekagula ukulile isikhathi eside bekayifaka oxygen isikhathini esibhaya yabo from ngisageleza e-high school bekaluka gula maGrace yeah
But omunye like uzothi mhlambe ngabe ubuka ngaleso lokuthi uphumlile la khona.
yeah uphumulile
Ukhumbule enye into futhi yazi ukuthi ayike into ebhlungu njengokuthi ubuka umuntu omthandayo mhlawumbe asesimweni esinzima but
Isafari.
ungakhona ukwenza anything. Do you know ukuthi you can feel like useless out here. To an extent ukuthi uzozblame nangezinto ongamele uziblame ngazo wena. Ngiyangithola
Yeah,
ukuthi
iqiniso.
kube ngikwazi ukwenza so ngaba kukho so. Kanti amanye ama situation izinto esingesikwazi ukuthi sishintshe noma sifake isandla kuzo ukuze zishintshe ngiyangithola.
sure
Yeah. And like I just want to know, especially even from you, Sbu, why is it always the case? As it like I'm always finding this thing yokuthi like maslahlekela like aboma time, especially thina like amajit. Maslahlekela aboma time, it doesn't hit hard that much. I don't want to lie. I'm not trying to like talk bad like ukuthi aboma time abethi or kanjani
Yeah.
but it doesn't hit that hard. But the moment mfethu ulahlekelwa umama, it's a different story mfana. It's a different story. Like it's like it's game over mfethu.
Yeah.
It's like it's game over. When I know unayo mama ngithi Sbu.
Yeah.
I don't want to take you through this phase, but imagine the world without your mom, dog. Just
Eish.
imagine.
Yeah.
Yabona ukuthi it's something else. Yabo.
Na leyo
You can, there's no world. Uzobona ngathi there is no world.
kahle kahle
Ngithola.
Yeah,
Yeah, but
but
yeah. And then
uqina vele
uqina ne.
ufunekayo sure kumele uqine vele ama out
bathi
bambezele
bathi isikhathi siceda yonke ipain yabo. So
Yeah.
qina nje nesikhathi nje. Give it time. Hayi. So ba right.
Mayini like into yenza mhlambe ukuthi undlule like kulesimo like khona mhlambe like mhlambe to attend like a certain session or ukukhuluma na someone like how do you like try and heal yourself like from this whole thing like uzisiza kanjani nawe like uthi
mina ngikhuluma nama out wami vele
Mo.
sijeke vele no Kellogg's yeah yibo like abantu engikhona ukukhuluma nabo ngibatshela kanje yabo sure so ngiyazi vele zona ngeke izingibhayizise na kanjani plus vele obvious Kellogg's kuyaziwa ngama 50 ama best advice yabona yeah nayo vele ngiyamathola kuyo sure
then situation like endlini ukhule phansi kwe situation enjani uthi because ukhona mhlawumbe omunye uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe what you will share today omunye will learn from what you will share yamthola because azikho izimo engandluli yabo omunye umuntu mhlawumbe ukubona la ku social media nje always like uhleka nani not knowing ukuthi uphuma ku background enjani nokuthi uphuma situation enjani
mina ngeke like ngize ngithi vesihlupheka yabo because like bakhona abantu abahluphekayo like la ngaphandle bakhona abantu abahluphekayo because mina obvious ngithi like besilala silile even namhlanje silala silile yabona insiphi khona ukwasha abanye abantu abanazo lezo zinto yabo sure so obvious ngithi like ngisho ukuthi si standard level yabo hayi ukuthi siyahlupheka ngeke ngize ngisahlupheka but obvious mangizomkhalela umadala ngifuna ibhathu yabo uzongibambisa umoya so yabo angeke ngize ngisethi ngokuthi siyahlupheka
Oh yeah.
umphando wakhe yabona nawe uyawazi ukuthi umi kanjani nami ngiyazazi ukuthi ngimi kanjani ngomphando wami but ekugcineni ukudla ngilala ngidlile ngilala ngine shelter
Yeah.
yabona izinto
Is important, yeah.
sure
okay no ngiyakuthola and then kuma siblings wakho uba nomdala
my siblings
yeah
usiso wami
ngosingakho Themba
mina yo mina mangakubalela shuthi eplazini azi kunjani kahle mina ngine shuthi lo mama lo ngikhulisini i step mother
okay
yayithona mina umama wami washona ngisasintwana
Okay.
yayithona so i step mother sam yise singikhulisile and manje ukufika kwakhe ufike should bekana abantwana nami baba mfeli unabantwana mabahlangana bona sababaningi
Okay.
yayithona and manje besibaningi mina kithi yabo sure
Aw estimate mhlawumbe.
yeah
Futhi-
uningaki
ithingibhe ngicela ukubabala ne
Okay, afika kuna stress.
engibaziyo
Yeah, sure.
oh
angeke ngazi phela
wazi
Yeah.
okay
yabo
Yeah.
okay khona sister lameli khoti uSelina uhlala eThokoza yabo Kheyilo khona sister lami uMalibu ngihlala naye endlini bese ke kuzoba nini Hotman lam uMekits umeka eThokoza bamazi ngomeka vele ividi ifana nami mara umhlophe
Okay.
yethola then kuzoba ke nelinye sister lami uThepanga yabo then ke kuzoba nobani nenye seplazini uTebu yabo then kuzoba nobani kuzoba nami bese kuzoba noBoy bese kuzoba noTsibo ke uTsibo yile yokugcina lasibona yabona ukuthi masizonke nje 8
Obaziyo nakho.
abazi
nakhona
ubazi
bahlanganisa ubani sihlanganisa uMagriza noMadala
oh yeah
yayithona sure
I-order lakho uthi lishonela ngakho Themba.
angeke ngitshela ukuthi lishonele nangakho but bengiyintwana
Awucavi kahle kahle.
namavile like abakangitsheli ukuthi ya lishonele nangakhe abakangitsheli
La uvakasha khona emakhaya akusika bo olady group kapho matime akukuphi feli.
mina
First
ngisho
aid.
ngihamba indlela zakhabo mathime manje
Oh.
ngisho izakhabo mathime step magrizambe lelungikholisile ya
Awungitshela
indlela zami
okay, omunye uzozibuza ukuthi sokungena emlomeni. Omunye uzozibuza ukuthi why does it hit so hard like to a stepmom dog? Yini le mhlambe mangathi now can you tell us about your stepmom or should I rather say your mom? Ukuthi like beka umuntu onjani like kuwe because omunye uzozibuza
ya
ukuthi
mina noma ungathi mom cause ngibangikhulise ngakhona like guy bengathi ngumntanakhe yabo ya bengathi ngumntanakhe vele like ungikhulise grand equally njengabanye abantwana
oh yeah
ya nami vele bengifana nabanye abantwana bekangithengela yonke into abanye abantwana bayitholayo ya ngikhulise kamnandi that's why ngithi umama
that's nice
umama lo ya like serious
oh yeah
okay. No, no ngiyakuzwa uThemba. And then asithathe sifake scale afidi.
na singangena
Yeah, scale ufunde va Themba.
etutopini
To topi.
ya ngase pleasing shuthi mina yabona uke esikoleni
Yeah, sure.
bengikheva nje
Khohla baba. Yeah,
ya mara bengifika late feed
ndabazana.
ngiyacabanga
ukuvuka late
Ukuvuka late.
yeah
kanjani
Usho, ma.
ngihlala eduze fere but ngifika late ayithona yeah but bengikeleze etutopini
yeah
grade 8 to 12
and vele labantu abahlala eduze nesigelo yibo abafika nje
every time
Every time.
I understand
Ende yiba bahluphayo scale Themba.
hey
Yibe lezi ihlupha kakhulu lezi.
ilezi sitshela boteacher ukuthi ya noma ungangise ekhaya ngoba uyazi ukuthi uhlala la eduze
Uhlala la eduzane vele.
kamili
Hayi.
transport
Yeah.
hayi eklasini fere bengahluphi mina
Bo umuntu onjani scale?
mina bengigeleza amageleza yabo
Yeah.
yeah mara like yabona obvious mase kuyisikhathi samajidi yayithona sure but lento le mina ukuthi ngisha ama rhyme ngicala vele from ngisasesigela
Iqale scale la yini?
bengisathi ngiyabuza
njengoba nayo Kelox njengoba bekayishanga ngada
Yeah.
nami bengiloku ngishanga yini
Bo lawula ngada now.
bengilawula ngada ngiphethe ngada yini
Yeah,
uphethe ngada
yeah.
yayithona sure
Yeah, awusifake fira awusifake. Bezikhiphani
ngitshela
mfethu.
ukuthi naseklasini iklasi le-English grade 12 yimi bengimaphambili ngibatshela kupoem ukuthi ama rhyme ami kanje nakanje nakanje senza kanje nakanje
Yeah, sure.
bekuyimi sikela sonke besicava ukuthi man leya ayileya shisa in ngani nayithona shama nyamalai nayithona ya mangifikile nje mina bengishama line nayithona ngiyandlula ema stepsini ezingikhunta nje ngizinika nje ama line umunye nomunye mawunegama nje mawungitshela igama lakho ngikunike line lakho yayithona
Yeah, sure.
mangingalazi ngizobuya kusasa ngiyakutshela nasi bengibuye ende kusasa ngikunike line lakho ujabule yayithona mina bengijabulisa abantu vele sure
Like yini mhlawumbe into eboyincanya like ngarayithi mhlawumbe because umunye uzoba like hayi benikwakana nje
Yeah.
nani.
no akusuma kwarana like iart lento le yabona
Awusifaka.
creative like shit nama ngeke ngazi ukuthi kanjani but lento le mina ngayincela shit ebilini yabo because mina lento le bengiyenza ngingaziboni
Okay.
yabona
Yeah, sure.
njengoba bekufika iKellogg's ukuthi asicala into ekanje yabo
Oh, uye wafika wathi asiqala into eso kahle kahle.
yeah
Okay.
because yena bekayibona mina ngingayiboni yabo mina bengenza into ngingayiboni yabo okay Kello wafika sicala into ekanje sayicala into eso yabona lapho besingakamazi uGashi yabona okay sayicala into esona sathanda ukuhamba iJola Park khona enye ipark yaseKasilam kwiJola Park yabo sathanda ukuhamba iJola Park yathona siloku sosha si2 endleleni sihamba kanje sihamba so
Wona Keno.
wimnokhilo but akhona amanye amajita yabona obvious acoca into zabo yabona ayahleka yenzani thina shithi siloku sila kulento leyo ukuthi amani
Sure.
yayithola iloku yasishisa si2 yayithola until vele nayithi masekafika sijabulile yabahlanyisa nami ngafika eTitopini ngabahlanyisa
Oh, okay, ukubuyisela esikolweni ke istoko sona besikhala kanjani ngalama rhymes akho?
neta bebakhala ndoda
Wobathola nje.
neta ngishela umntana neta azibuza ukuthi leyo khambani ubani le yayithola Bekuhlangene abantwana abaseclassini ndoda mina mangikhuluma like mina mangicala ngikhuluma kuthula wonke umuntu bafuna ukuza ukuthi le izothini yeah shide bengingakhona power yami vele la abenginayo yeah ndakekho vele like nanoma umuhle ngakunyela ngithola but mina obvious like ngiyawuthi sharp angiyelana yabona izintonyana ezinjalo sure
So wena sikela bakaza uthi like back discipline due to the fact ukuthi mhlawumbe bukhoratha abantwana like eclassini ngoba ngasumsinde eclassini like awukazi ube naleyo experience Fedi.
Hayi mina abantwana baseclassini lami like bengaba corrupt bayazi ukuthi hayi makufunda siyafunda yithola yeah but mase kuyisikhathi sokuthi vele ngibanika ama line bengibanika ama line bayazi bengingabafeel enebi bangincane yibo abantu bokucala bokungi-support yithola yeah abantwana baseclassini then ngikwalandela laba bangaphandle yabona isikele ngibaziyo ikasi kanjalo
Manje mawubhekile manje basasekhona labantu laba abaqala nawo ukusupport esigela nano
showcase
ngoba khona
basasekhona and ngikutshela ukuthi nafanda bakhona basangitext yithola
oh yeah
bakhona bahlala eduze naseKasilama basangitshela ukuthi endoda wena lento lebicala ekudala
oh yeah
bakhona abantu abasakhumbula ukuthi untwana simazi akanje angaka trend until wazwa trend kanjalo
Then esigela uthe masoqeda uthami uqede uphume kanjani esigela zange disturb riding like ukuthi uyaphusha and
nix
kwenzakalani la Fedi.
nix mina ngaziphasela feeling ediploma
Okay.
sure grand hayi ukuthi manje angidisturb hayi but yabona kube ngitrending sasesikolweni I'm sure bizongidisturb
Usho kanje? Mawubheka like looking back bezo
Yeah.
disturb ne?
yeah yeah because of I phela no use busy no
Yeah ne?
I know busy shithi no left and right and center yithola siyafuneka nokhini nosijeke yithola siyafuneka siyangapha sinini ngiyethembisa sinini nemsontra sinini nijozi futhi ke jozi ke sesiphila kakhulu because ihlezi sifuna ukubona fast rabo
oh yeah
sihlezi vele like sile jozi
Iqala kanjani connection yakho Fedi no Faster?
the Godfather
okay I connection yami no Godfather shuthi yaqalisa Kellogg's
Okay.
yabo ufafastra wakhuluma no Kellogg's yabona ukuthi vele bafuna ukumbona yabo
Yeah.
okay Fede uKellogg's wava wayibona untwana yabo makabuye wangitshela ukuthi endoda benginabantu abakanje yabona ngathi ndoda wena ungitshelani because indoda labantu laba ndoda mina dala ngifisa ukuhlangana nabo
Sure.
izinja kabe ngiyazincanya yabo
Yeah sure.
okay uGasheni nesidini lakhe uthini yena hayi senifuna ukuhamba nalabo laba
Ngiyasikhumbula isitoko sakhona. Yeah.
hey next time nizodlala ismash pass lapha sidlala ismash pass yayithona sifike ngecontent lethu ene manje lashisa abantu bayalifuna
Bayalifuna.
yayibona hayi nina senifuna ukuyo ini yabona sikakhuluma uZamatsala kabi sathini mina esedini lami ngathi ngivana uKhelo because of uKhelo uneplan yabo ngayi uFast Travel sikambizile uKhelo masekabuya kimi shuthi uKhelo ngamnika imali ngacula ngibhayile ikepisi eliblue ile uZamatsala yabo uKhelo makabuya kimi wangitshela ukuthi Fast ufuna ukubona yabo
Okay.
ila nami ngacala khona ukuba interested yabo ngamshiya kanjalo ke eGashini yathola mangiceda kumshisha sacabana ekhoneni yathola sacabana shuthi angiyela ngitshela the way ingani yabona sacabana vele ngaphuma kanjalo kuye ngavama mina ngayosipana ke ithi vele mangifika vele uZamatsala shop sure vele bangijabulela ngayithona
Yeah, sure.
ngabona ukuthi ayikho lento leyo
Ayikho right there. Okay. Before nje sifika exabaneni kwenu. Okay, uThebo uphusha naye. It's just that bengifuna nje ukuthi highlight abantu ukuthi connection lakho no Fafastra fade like liqhamuka
Bahlanganiswa
kanjani.
Kellogg's.
Yeah, ngiyangithola.
angithi uFafastra wakhuluma no Kellogg's efonini bahlangana yabo
Yeah, sure.
then ke uKellogg's makabuya kimi wangisa kuFafastra.
Okay. Then manje ke ngifuna cause uthe bowuphusha no Kilo. Then ukanchen ungena kanjani cause beniphusha no yi2.
Ukasheni mina ngicela uphusha naye last year. Yathola cause shuthi ukasheni bekacava ukuthi le imnandi ngama rhyme mina bekangicava ukuthi ngimnandi ngama rhyme yabo yena bebacava ukuthi umnandi ngokucula. Yabo
Untanga kahle bekadume ngokucula kahle.
Lo muntu lo uthanda ukucula yabo udume ngokucula yabona but kuma rhymes hayi bekangadumanga bebacava ukuthi le imnandi ngokurhyme le imnandi ngokucula yabona yeah so ke mina naye sicela ukusipana last year yabo ehle ukusipana sonke ukuthi sisipane sonke sicale last year
Ukumcava?
Ukumcava ngimcave ngintwana
Okay.
because of khona la bekaluka thini machita kumele senzeni into nyana yabona igroup nyana yabona ithi sizibizeni ngama-Sheng Master yabo
Yini le Sheng Master ndleke?
Sathi ngiyabuza.
i-Sheng Master igroup
Okay.
yithona yabafowethu yithona yamajita vele bekuyethu yithona shukuthi i-Sheng Master iphuma under iBoomsheng.
iBoomsheng yini yona?
iBoomsheng shuthi ezinye ke ama-Grootman lama-Grootman lawo yiwo lawa vele awale gama leli elitrenda ngada ekatlong Boomsheng yithona shuthi each and every corner e-K1 balwe Boomsheng spray you yithona Boomsheng yithona
Okay.
ni lama-Grootman ahlala eKaslithu yithona Boomsheng so obviously le gama leli bese litrenda leli le Boomsheng yabona thina obviously sacala igroup ethini Sheng Master because sabona ukuthi masothi Boomsheng kuzoba ngathi sesibajontshile
Copycat.
Yeah.
sacala vele igroup ethini Sheng Master
Manje ningakhi kule group leyo?
bese shuthi ya bese ngekho i3 ngeke ngize ngithi bese i3 because bekhona nama dancers
Yeah.
bekhona uSigebengu naye bekakhona lapha yana yabona i-representer Sijeke naye uyajive yabona i-representer naye yabona nami bengikhona 2021 mina ngayikhipha ivideo yena angakaqabanga nokuthi usazokhipha ivideo
Ubani lo?
uGashini.
Okay.
Yabona? Mina ngakhipha ivideo yabo ukhifile ngayikhipha ivideo 2021 yabo ya trenda I think last year this year ngisakhumbula yabo ngiphethe amayelo dash maybe now uyayazi ngiphethe amayelo dash amaningi ivideo yami
I wasn't really tapped into that content that much. I don't want to lie to my viewers.
ngiphethe amayelo dash lawo ipakete elihoti ngiyayithola sibuye emoli ngiphethe amayelo dash Kellogg's wangishaya ivideo
Okay.
njengoba ngisakutshela ukuthi lento levele kudala semnandi ngashaya ivideo lapho bese representer yona i-Sheng Master because ama-out wami like bewayenza dance class yabo so mina ngawashayela ivideo yabo then bona babeka le poster le Sheng Masters represent yabo dance class lento le yabona bese iphusha vele Sheng Master.
Manje mina ngifuna ukubuza ke like mawushiya umacala kangithi uthe bakubizile ngithi uthi ujoin abo Fafastra ngithi yeah mawumshiya ube waba ne doubt nje ukuthi athi ngisale nomacala yabo ngingazami intesha because ngiyazi ukuthi majority of the time thina abantu sisabe izinto ezisha yabo so kuyaba nayo leyo doubt leyo ukuthi hayi man ngimshiye lo muntu ngihambe kulaba or ngisale
nix
vele wayingena nje kanjalo
phela nayo Kellogg's nayo macala
yeah
mina labantu laba bengibathatha ikhwana
yeah
uyayithola
Because bosipana nabo together.
ngifana nabo together uyayithola
Yeah.
obvious uGashini waseKaslami uKellogg's shooting uhlala eKasla kaSijeke uyayithola ujumpa nje kuphela istrata maqeda kujumpa istrata sengingenile eKasla majita yabo obvious uGashini useduze uyu umuntu engizohlala nginaye yabona.
Okay. Then masen nipusha ke sen poster seniqalele igroup Sheng Master ama video bawaposta kuyo uGashini.
Kuye.
Okay.
Yabona?
Okay. Ngifuna sinyuke nayo right. Ngifuna sinyuke nayo.
So uKellogg's uye ki yena should be ka poster kuGashini ne but nasa account inakhe
azipushe.
azipushe
Yeah, njengoba uchazile. Then lento eShalom Shalom yona ingena kanjani lana because ngathi Sheng Master neShalom Shalom I don't know if is it into eyi1 or kanjani awusicacisele la
yabona uShalom uyugashini
oh uyugasheni kahle kahle
uShalom makuthiwa
Oh,
Shalom khulunywa ngayo
khulunywa ngayo
yes
kuthiwa nina nenzwe yiyo le shalom
no bheka yabona isheng master thina njengoba ngikutshela ukuthi yena utheni asivule ne group ekanje uyathola makaceda ukuthi sivule igroup ekanje umntwana bekahlezi aphile itsiyetsi yabona and which is itsiyetsi uyahamba kusuke ekasi yabona yahamba ayinto okudlala yabona umntwana bekahlezi aphile itsiyetsi athi sivule igroup yabona okay fair ke sayivula igroup uyathola but wena awuspan uyathola mina nontwana saspan uyabona wena uhlezi uvayile le uphila nezinye yabona sale fair singazazi but uthi sivule igroup yabona thina siyacava ukuthi uthi sivule igroup yabona yavula igroup kahle kukhona nama dancers nani uyathola okay ke fair yena bekangaspan njengoba bengisho ukuthi 2021 ngikhiphe ivideo uyathola Sheng Master yena angakaza akhiphe ivideo uyabona uqala ukukhipha ivideo last year August njengoba bekakhipha nathi nakhona ukuthi bekuyi first video leya bekuyi videos 2 or 3
okay
let's trend isile vele sure
okay and then enye into ngifuna ukuyazi la engayi understand there was this thing uKellogg's Aisha ne ngifuna ukuzwa like your perspective wathi untanga what mayibuya esibhedlela because it's like ngathi waye grand and then something happened to him he changed what mayibuya wabuya change did you notice that change when
should I think it change nayo maybe ukuthi akamameli umuntu lone ngabo
okay
akamameli une like njengoba nami bengisho ukuthi untwana bekumacala yayithola ngalendlela le ukuthi bengiya kubo bangicava yayithola naye bayamazi kithi yayithola nabantu bebamkhuluma kabi mina bengihlezi ngimreplyele ngibatshela amasimba yayithola ngibatshela ukuthi in anemkhulumi kanje lo muntu lo out yami yabona yabo ngimphusha ngewheelchair ngimphusha sambi yayithola but yena kamameli uhlezi alwa yabona uhlezi alwa ene nami bekahlezi alwa nami ene manje ngimcolele kabhaya yabona for ukuthi ngingamcolela namanje but feel anginamakwali naye yabo uhlala eKaslama anginamakwali makaphushi yabona nami ngizophusha esayidini yabona bangathi siyakwalelana naye.
So do you think like yonke le nto leyo iqale after masekenzala le nto le wheelchair like utha acte kanjalo ngikade grand before
Yeah.
like do you think yonke le nto le iqale mase seqala le ndaba le wheelchair kutabe nale enga lokhuluma ngayo?
Yeah.
Oh.
Nasendlini phela umntwana netakwana kuba kamameli like mabam advise akabamameli yabona and obvious like indlebe yiyo lefuneka
Enevele.
yabona yena ufuna ukuba right njalo
Eish.
yabona nanoma wrong ufuna ukuba right ufuna ukumake sure ukuthi ngi right yabona yeah
because this thing I understand I think even now he's still doing that thing
yeah namanje usafuna abantu bamzwele
manje into engiyibonayo like kuma video akhe nokwa poster I want to go back to lento yokuthi okay mina like obviously whatever I'm just saying what I see on the media yabo
Sure.
yeah so because there's something that you said ukuthi like beka nokushootha wena khulume wena yena angakhulumi like kube umuntu oramayo aposte ku account yakhe because namanje zikhona izintwana azishuthayo no so usho dieting vele strategy sakhe vele asisebenzisayo
yeah istrategy sakhe isho ukuthi because nalentwana lezi azinama account phakama account yakhe yabona ama video wonke awela kuyi
and le ntwana lezo uthola ukuthi zonke zilwa nawe no Kellogg's le ntwana zonke le ntwana lezi zi against nina
khona ne hot money
serious
yakhona enye nentshebe ke ekhohlwa hayi le yakhohlwa yo zilwa nathi
kahle banibangisana uthiyami awungitshele like aw address abantu batshele mfethu ukuthi kahle ninenzeni
into
untanga
basibangisayo niyoza matsala
eish
kahle kuze yonke into kube nebeef nani
isuicide riding
ididing
eish yonke lento ukuthi nixabane uthiyami
Yeah.
yoza madala nje
yeah bekangafuni intwana shithini sisebenze nawo
eish so bekufuna like khale sakhe
yakhala sakhe njalo no right yabo and manje nathi masimtshela ukuthi enoda kumele sambe ngalo lane lo yena ufuna hayi sebenza kanje neta sebenzi kanje yabona njalo besimamela untwana but besingayiboni imiphumelelo yabona
Manje
thema sesiqala sihlukana naye
yeah
izinto like izazikhuphukela
yeah so
sasibana nabantu ababhaya sahlangana nabantu ababhaya abathop yabona sure
okay oh so une brand naye
ubani
yena umtsheti
akana brand
because ngizwe ukuthi iproblem iqale manje sebenzisa izinto zeozamadala
uza madala
No.
ekafafastra
yes
yena ubeni bekanenkinga bekangafuni ukuthi like baspanisane neoza madala kahle he was against that whole idea because
Yeah.
beka acts as a dictator
yeah angithi ozamadala it's all about ibrand yabo
yeah but
Laba
akusi brand
iphushayo.
yena no ibrand abayiphushayo ibrand akuseyabo nabo
seyabo
yes yikho ngibuza ukuthi nayo une brand nahla
Akanayo
iphusho
ibrand.
yakhe ibrand bayeke ozamadala
beya against ukuthi nje baphushe oza madala
Akanayo
that's all
brand.
yena kana brand
okay
thola ukuthi
I know
maybe
you
kade beefa nomuntu oyikhandile ke le brand wozamadala that's why kade ngafuna ukuthi basebenze naye
obvious neta le muntu lo hey sendiploma nabo fafastra bofezela shuthi ke nizobe senidlala ismesho pass yabona lezo zinto lezi yayibona enemayi thina sikho lapho thina silange content lethu abantu bafunele lethu content yayithola abasifuni kusibona kuma smash pass or ina bafunele lethu content sure manje nabe kangafuni
then le argument le yanixabanisa yenza ukuthi like separate uzuyo spana no Kilo what was it all about kahle benixabanelani da yini le mhlawumbe beningazwani ngayo ngithi bowunaye ekhoneni naxabana nanani nabanengxabano nangazwana be about what that conversation nje
shuthi umntwana uhlezi anayo into ukuthi angazivikela ngayo
okay
yayithola ya uhlezi anayo into angazivikela ngayo mina uKhelo mina naye sikisacabana yabo Fidi sacabana but sakhuluma yabona sa understandana okay Fidi sazilungisa izinto but ukashini yena like yabona mawacabana naye shuthi yo enye into yabo ya mina ngiqabane naye kabhaya like kuze vele like ngicine sengingala ukuthi mina mvele bese ngibona ukuthi like le train le yahamba yayithola nethi nje imile mina yayithola naye yayithola yena zange afuna ukugibela ngagibela mina kungukuthi bengimtshela ukuthi asiye
bomtshela
bengimtshela ngimtshelile mina hayi ukuthi uyazi bengimtshela yayithola sure
manje konke wayisho la uKhilo uthi ningi izinto ngifuna enhle unclarify kuzo ngiyathola uKhilo wathi there was a time wena no Kanchan nimjikela uKhilo phusha i1 there was a time or there was never a time like that
no like uKhelo njengoba mina bengitshela ukuthi abajita bengibaphethe equal
okay
yayithola uKhelo bese sikaphusha i1 yayithola
okay
mina obvious ukasheni wasekaSlam yabona bese bengiphusha naye ngeke bengiphusha naye yabona but esikhathini esibhaye bengiphusha nokasheni not noKhilo
but
bekuba ngathi nisamjikela
yeah, sure.
feel alone
Yeah,
we1
yeah,
yabona
sure.
yes yeah bengamjikeni
and uthola ukuthi cause we distance neleyo nto leyo because niya need to ni close yena usekudeni
yeah nakhona marayi ukuthi distance leyo ukuthi manje yabona maybe
Yeah.
ngisho
It's
kuma
just a
2 kilometers
strata.
Oh,
it's strata.
okay.
yeah yeah but maka mina bengamjikelanga awuthi yami yabona hayiyazi
so nilungise kanjani mase ubuyela kuKhelo like wena ubuyele ngaliphi fade like phela ukhumbule bowuphusha no Kanchan no uyabona
Bengekho-
itrain iyavaya
bheka bewangekho ama beef kimi no Kellogg's yabo bewangekho ama beef iyazi nayo ukuthi solo kuvele like masihlangana ngishamalane yabona kanjalo silokhu sashayelana yabona then lapho ke sisahlukana yabona hayi the vele like masisihlangana sikangitshekela vele yonke into ukuthi kanje na kanje nawo abajida bengibuya kubufa faster in yabo nami ngaya vele yabo ngava ngayophusha nabo kungukuthi uKatsheni vele ngicabane naye he angazi vele mina ukuthi yini angayifuni kuza matsala angazi yabo but yena akayifuni vele ukuthi yini angayifuni angazi
washo
Ukuthi
uthi straight
uFafastra-
vele washo nje straight ukuthi no like le brand mina ngiyifuni
emfethu le muntu lo mfethu bekang yo leya inkinga mawungayibona i-charge hayi ini so sipana newaza matsala hey nizobe sendlala ismash pass bazobe sebanyela in yabona inkinga manje ntwana
Fair when riding out yami njengomjita opusha nabo boat because when upusha nabo boat was a time upusha no Kilo manje upusha no Kilo and there was a time upusha no Gansheni and like into engifuna ukuyazi ukuthi like ku circle like amajita njengoba nike na pusha like nonke manicabanga benzobe nivala like kube nje pusha like no 3 just think about that world nje ni 3 out yami
ukringivar ne
yeah sure
kube fili sifair yabo but manje ile nqondo lezina nazo yabo akayiboni lento le ukuthi kube sile fair and kwezinye zezinto uhamba tshela abantu ukuthi uyasifakile egamini which is akusuye
yeah there was a video a trend asho ukuthi atshela uKhelo ukuthi le shalom ile limenzila ngithi there was a video nje a trend yeah
athi yena uyobhaka uKellogg's ngithi nami vele wathi ngibhakile ngambuza ngathi ubhakini kimi because mina kudala vele basho ukuthi ngimnandi yayithola kudala basho ukuthi nginswimbo yabona
yeah
which is and yena ukhera incwadi kashini Kellogg's akabamba incwadi yabona
yeah nase studio washo
uKellogg's ufana nami shoot isihlanganisa manje sishaya ivideo manje siphuma kuyo yabona sesiyikhumbula mhlazana siyibona le video ukuthi yo uyawakhumbula lama line yabona lezi zinto akayiphathi incwadi uKellogg's nama ngiphathi incwadi kasheni uyibika phathi incwadi and lelo ncwadi lelo ilengoma akusela ama rhyme nani yabona yeah
then after scale out yambonga nayo riding I think mhlambe ne olet la kalikazi mhlambe lihlale phansi nawo likubuza ukuthi like after scale mhlambe ufuna ukushayani like you've never had anything that you wanted to be like into efana nalezo I know ukuthi abanye bazoba like there was this thing ayinokutrend esibu ayinokuthi bathi like masase like a primary sonke like go so hamba like nga1 umuntu asho ukuthi hayi mina ngifuna ukuba doctor mina ngifuna ukuba iphoyisa mina ngifuna hayi base sifike high school nakusebenzisa shopbet ku hayi afana la khona yeah so wena bawufuna ukuba yini fade out yami
mina kahle shuthi into ebengifuna ukuyishaya ne yo shithi into ebengifuna ukuyishaya mina
Sekayicabanga ngale mnqondo lo umuntu ku high school manje ufuna ukuthi noma yini
awubhekile
ngathi ngela ku primary ufuna ukuba yini
shoot nje high school
hacker
okay IT specialist
IT kahle interested lezinto ze IT kahle because that's IT world
world basically
like obviously into like ngithanda yabona nama wiring yabona hlanganisa nje ukuforge yabona ukuforge nje ngithanda lezi zinto yabo like
crack izinto nani
electrical yabona izinto nyane ngithanda vele izinto nyane ezinjalo ngidlala ngeintambo yabona ngizenzele nje boma boom stove makubanda nginokusishayela iboom stove nyana nje ngeintambo ilight sure
ngathi
mara ukuthi manje kuzobhoma endlini
apho yini la when light
like afudumala
ama heater westimela
stove siba overseas
yabo la ma heater la westimela lawa ugesi
mina ngithanda shuthi ukuganga ngalezi zinto ama element
yini la benisuyisela ugesi
next
thathela ama cable
awukaza uthebe ube kulezi zinto lezi zokudaka ama cable lapha ya ku steamer
isafini
train ngiyisaba
trader yonke le
I trend riding too much trend
because nami ngiyakhumbula cishe bangifaka bomacala manje wena ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi wena bake bakufaka nami yebo
yabona lapho ngisindile ke
usindile
wenzeka
kahle bake bazama vele ukudonsa nje
nix thina shuthi isikela sethu besikude nento nestation yabo
station at
ay bebe yenza riding and bebashayalwa
ngibula labandla
uze nje indaba yini
ceda
mana so
it used to be a serious thing lento le lento kudaka ama cable yo khona umuntu umjita nami ngangimcava into wayewadaka mfana but laba yi1 mfana laba
kayiwani nje
alimzwanga icable
Hey,
lemzwanga
iyashisa
next
leyanto.
yashisa
Shaya
3000 volts icela.
abakushaya udabule yonke into.
mina lapho uyabona lapha ngifikanga ke njengoba bekasakutshela uke wakutshela mosikheli ukuthi thina like besithanda ukuhamba nezinja la ngalonke
Kuzingela.
okay bonqanyisa
namabhayisikili
amabhayisikili, yeah, sure, sure,
ya
sure.
thina lishuthi yizo vele izinto besidila ngazo
Bonqanya ukuzingela.
ya yabo sasiyintwana primary lapho ke bengisamphethe ke ukhelo yabo
Le goal uzingela kuphi bafethu?
Nami yazi ngifisa ukuzibuza lento
but
ukuthi
yazi
la
ukuthi
uyavi vele moyozingela.
yazi ukuthi like baby sijwayele ukwenzani there was lento ukuthi I don't know ukuthi lento lebakhona hlapha abayazi bekunalento esinokuyenza ukuthi siyobamba intethe masibamba
Okay.
intethe siyifaka ethinini siyayidla okwayidla intethe
hayi
awukazi
Angazi.
sibamba
Ama
neyini
locust.
yeah
Umuntu uzoyibuka.
uthole futhi
Majuba.
osambe siyobamba
Majuba,
nembiba
okay,
nayo besihamba sigijima siyoyibamba so nje it used to be
nempangela
like that.
yayibona
Yeah.
impangela
Yeah, impangela.
besizibamba nazi impangela
Oh.
ya thina shuthi emfuleni akusukufere actual
It was nice back in the days yes alentwana zanozidlala
Before lento le-
namabhayisikili mfethu
Before leading small.
namabhayisikili abawazali badlala ama-tiktok
mfana
ya nama-playstation
thina fana we used to do ama-road walk mfethu sigijime
Yo.
mfethu suke la uyele mfethu siva for idisk mfethu
Yeah,
yangithola
baze bayazi,
i-life
abamanje.
le siyaziyo thina mfethu manje
Abayazi
iziyangikhetha
next,
ama ukhuluma
Hayi,
nabacabanga i-TikTok
not even ukuswimming ne.
ucabanga ukuthi angasebenzisa
Ukuswima
ama-hashtag if like
emfuleni or
izotrend.
idam. Ukaswime edamini. Not even swimming le abayibiza nge-swimming manje.
Yeah.
Ukuswima edamini.
Yeah,
ihambe,
yeah, yeah, yeah. So,
That was
swim,
i-swimming
yeah,
yakudala. Hayi
yeah.
lento le yamanje.
Yeah, hayi manje uma ungaswima lapha ufaili baba back then it was a fashion
anovele
Yeah.
usime emakakeni
Manje.
asho kanjalo
Hayi, manje hayi. At least into engayisho ukuthi dala mawudrown ne. That was the reason yokuthi akhela udrownile ke. Mara ukudrowna kuyiphule yamanje guys, iphule safe manje. Phela
Yeah,
then ukuthi lathi nabe swima khona like emadamini ungene kwi-dam ikuncolile nje
bona
uswime
ukuhamba
lapha. Yeah.
namanzi lapha phela
Yeah, that's what I'm saying ukuthi hayi manje I feel like everything ingane zamanje ngeke baze ba-understand izinto
no
ezinjalo.
nanokuthi awuthiyami into engiyibonayo mina now it's not safe though back then phela you would walk a distance mfethu like you would walk like a distance usuke ekasi lakho mhlawumbe uye kwelinye ikasi mfethu yangithola ubuye safe yangithola but no uthola ingcosi kuthiwa mayivayile ingcosi asabuli yangithola so no nane safety like abazali ba extra cautious like ba advise abantu ukuthi they shouldn't go to like they shouldn't badlale
By
far
my
from
distance,
home,
yeah, I
nani,
think it's
yangithola.
safety manje inkinga ebulala everything.
Yeah.
Because there was a thing like trendy about this kid ayobhekelela ibhola and then he never came back from stadium. I think wayizwa indaba yakhona.
Oh yeah.
Wayizwa indaba yakhona.
But
wahambe.
otholakala lira ona ngithi kwenzakalani uSihliwe bekasilendele Sitori lo mntana lo wayebukela ibhola wayesuka ePitori lo mama
Yeah.
lo
First bathi
walwa
abamtholanga.
nananelwa indaba yakhe ethi hey umntanami wahamba yoba attack nanana usigayi context bekwenzakalani da
No, kuthiwa babe se stadium. And then baba ne-argument baphumela ngaphandle.
azange acela ukuyochama kanti lo mfana lo
No, kuthiwa baba ne-argument.
okay
Mase chaza umngane wakhe.
oh
And then angazi ke lo muntu kuthiwa washayiswa imoto ayesibhedlela. And then basaba ukusho ekhaya ukuthi ushayiswe imoto.
So they knew?
Yeah.
damn it already lihlanya nje labo bayazi ukuthi umntana zikhiphana
Yeah.
Bacanga ukuthi umntana utshontshiwe kanti usesibhedlela.
Usesibhedlela.
Yeah, mara the i-safety yamanje.
so manje it's not safe vele it's not
safe,
safe
sure.
wena ningitshela uthiyami ezinina ama-influencer i-safety enhle kinjani uthiyami because nawe like nina-travela njengobusho like into zeni a lot has changed now yangithola like na-travela kasi to kasi city to city like i-safety yenu nina file like izikhiphana uthiyami
nami vele ngingasho ukuthi no wine no asikho safe actually because like nanoma ngiza la Soweto like thola ngisaba nokupost ukuthi Soweto yabo because sometimes unokuthi mawuposta like qobeke uzibuze ngiqobwa yini yabona asazi man kwenzakalani yabo but mawungapostanga ukuthi ngendaweni kanje like uyazizwa ukuthi ay energy into yabo sure and futhi enye into mawupostini bangazi ukuthi ayilehlezi indlula la mayize ngapha yabo siyivala la yabona yeah izo like ezinye izinto engiziavoidayo yabo sure
and then njengoba bengisasho futhi ukuthi ilife yenu has changed now uthiyami zikhiphani futhi awuchazela abantu phela obvious now Khelo bekane event. What happened kule event? Because I think mfethu
no yabezicusha
yeah. Kambe I know Kellogg's will be you will really like this video to find out ukuthi we were talking about this event actually. What happened? Event yakhe mfethu. After so long a push I put fuck hard work mfethu.
Abezikhipha feeling bakhona abantu abazwakalile basupporta abo Uncle Moyi abo Ice Poop bebakhona abo Tamelon bebakhona yabona.
Ngibone no Clad beyakhona ne.
Ubani
Clad for the nanas was there.
Yeah bebakhona. Abe bakhona like yeah bezikhipha feed kona and uyishayile like into yakhe. Mina bengingabelieve ukuthi like bengayenzeka lento le yabo. Yeah mina bengimtshela ukuthi dana relaxa ngeevent dana sikabi ready yabo. Yena like umuntu ukuthi ndoda siyenza lento se riska. Yeah ne sure yayenzeka. Ngavuma vele nami ukuthi yeah yonke into shoot yabona uKellogg's like uhleza neplan. Uhleza ngitshela ukuthi shoot asenze kanje na kanje. Yabona mina ngimtshele ngithi hayi ntwana kanjani singenawo lamandla. Yabona relax shoot izeyenzeka. Yabona asiyenze and show masiyenza izobhasa.
Mangakunike chance no ukujonga umjida like usosiphane naye for so long and ufunda into eyibhaya kuye. Mangathi nje umshaya ngerhyme ungathini kuye no asithi ubukele no nanga ubukele no ungathini kumshaya ngerhyme.
Ubani uKhelo?
Yeah uKhelo njenge out yakho nje.
Shamani inkinga mina naye.
Yeah njengoba ngisho ukuthi ithathe njengokuthi nanga ubukelo ringa naye
ukhuluma ngisho nginokumtshela ukuthi akheleka ngithola
yeah
angiboleka ibhola ngimane ngishaye through pass nale bhola lizokheleka yabona ngimane ngingene esaluni ngishaye eskeli inile zami zakheleka yabona shithi ngimshaya ngeremiliwani mara shithi yayithola yeah lezi zinto lezi kuyaphileka yayithola bongeka zoleka sabagwatela ngeke sisabaxolela masibaxolela bayasidelela enanyeke basasilalela yayithola sure lezi zinto nyana lezi sisana ngazo.
Okay.
Yeah. Ngithabe ngiphethe uDaliwo ngasangene eKFC ngathenga amazinga wings lapha kuwing abangazi kahle. Bese neke na uzoshaya izakhathayi lapha ku center bangazi kahle. Yayithola. Like asiphelelwa.
Yeah.
Yeah, sihlezi like isinento entsha.
Yeah.
Njalo and khona ezinye esingakazikhiphi esizikhohliwe. But ngiyazi ukuthi sisazobuya yabo. Sikhiphe. Kanjalo nakuzalo vena.
191 kudlaluza
192 mvango.
Yeah.
193 asikho isidingo sokuvala umnyango ushaya insango.
Yeah.
Danko.
Kodwa baba. Khuzo Khelo. Okay. And then no, Awutham. Ngibone no enhleke nokukhuthile. Uyangishaya ungena kanjani lana Fade no?
Uyangishaka shuthi wangena ngokuthi bekangena lo gashini yabo. Yeah. Yabo. Then uvia sabantu bathanda energy yakhe ukuthi ahamani lentwana leyana yabo. Ngathi mnani. Yabona? Asithatheni siboneni ukuthi kuzenzakalana. Samthatha kanjalo because i-test shithi thina sayibona ngokuthi anyele ugashini. Hayi ukuthi simnikile i-test. Yayisona? Thina sayibona kanjalo. Yabona? Ngokuthi athathane nogashini and the show wawina kugashini. Yabo? After lapho ke yasabona ukuthi azini intwana simthatheni siboneni ukuthi kuzophusheka kanjani masimphetha samphatha vena. Siqale kanjalo kumphatha ene akusinto akudala.
Into yanini wena?
Yanini vena? Manje recent I think buma month back or 2 months. Yeah, akusinto akudala. I think after kuceda kushona uma Chris umama. Yeah, la sicale khona vele ucabana noShaka.
Okay. And then enye into engifuna ukuyicafa. Like njengoba usho ukuthi no like ziyakhala like niyaphusha nanani yini enhleke echangile from back then.
Izinto ezibhaya nonkinga sezi easy yabo. Yeah, izinto no sezi easy for mina angazi for abanye abantu but since Fede sestrenda kanje like izinto sezi easy. Yabo. Yeah, sinokuthola boma i-crap yabona. Sikhathele nje singena amaletics sithola i-crap sigiveza imali. Uyabona izinto nyane ezinjalo. Kingana labantwana laba nawo sebabaningi. Yabona
Ngicela ngifuna ukubuza ngalo.
Ungasazi manje.
Esikela okazi umosha uthiyami.
Ubani?
Phela obviously mfethu nabe
mina inkinga bona ngicela ukutshela something ane. Angimoshi into ebonakalayo. yeah
Yeah.
ngijumpisi ngijumpisi mina feel ukumosha abanye babo bangasho ukuthi ngiyamosha but mina ngibona ngingakamoshi cause ngiyabona ngizijayela intonyane silence then ngiphuma la yeah kanjalo nje kuphela yeah mina ngizijayela nje intonyane silence yeah into engabonakala engabona yeah yena abantu bazocava vele after ukuthi shooter yeah
Ongitshela unayo celebrity crush?
celebrity crush I celebrity crush yami khona
Ubani?
uzintanga futhi ulingana nami ngeheight
Bani?
Uzinxumalo.
yo
Zincane.
maka esiphumeni kuye
I-influencer crush sithi influencer yabo. Kulawa nje balana. Ubani ongathi crush yakho la?
abona ke kuma influencer ke angeke ngibambi angina crush
Why?
Why?
mina ubuza ebajitena ne
Yeah.
like fili singahlala nama influencer ne abantwana aba trendayo but mina ngizofuna ukuza nomntana omusha ongaziwa yeah
Why fade like uyenzelani la thing?
hayi banenkinga ezibhala abantwana
Awucabanga ukuthi maybe ngakulethela ama views nyana manje ngamixa
anginandaba nama views wakhe
wakhe. Oh.
yethola but singayishaya ivideo kuloku kumngani wami mos
Yeah.
i-trend yabona
Yeah, angikhona
but
ivideo ngishaya.
mangizomjola lo mntana engizocava inkinga ezibhaya ngayo inkinga usegaming phela lo muntu yayithola inkinga
ziningi inkinga
ziningi inkinga zakhe mangizomcava nami ngizothola ezinye izinto ekungamelanga ngizithwale so ngcono ngiziphathele umntana omusha engingazifakela na mina egaming yeah iyo vele like mina into engiyenzayo yeah yabona ke kuma influencer ke yangibambi
But akan influence yini kanti ubani still okhaya mos uhlale K1 mos. Same kasi mos. Uyamcava ngithi?
inja yangu stilo
Yeah.
yeah khohlo
Kade umcava untanga.
stilo ngimazi ngokhilo shoot mina abantu ababhaya ngibazi ngokhilo yethola yeah stilo ngiyamcava ngokhilo yeah inja le yavele stilo ngiyacava ngicwele
Ngikubone na recently bono Rev Dumza uthiyami. Uhlangane kanjani no Rev Dumza fede?
mina no Rev Dumza kuzihlangana ile event yabo mavusane eyamapantsula yabo
Okay.
yeah
Yeah, shout out to Mavusana and like, and they always share our stuff, that guy.
shout out to
Shout out to
Mavusana
you, dog.
Bafethu.
Yeah. Shout out to you.
product of the ghetto
Yeah, product
Yeah,
of the
we
kids.
know
Yeah.
the product.
Shout out to Ndanga Fede. We see you, dog. It's not like we don't see you. We see you.
kahle
Yeah, sure. Yeah, utu.
uye vele ungidonsini yabona bekasidonsile yimi uKellogg's usha makasidonsa wathini usha event eFreedom Park okay Fede uKellogg's same day bekuyi6 September besinama gig abo my 3 yabo so bekumele mina ngiye ngapha yena aye ngapha then late sohlangana kuleyo one uyayithola and the show sayenza mina ngavanga eFreedom Park yena wavaya wayipinoni ngoba busy nalabantu nami ngaba busy ngapha ila ngihlangane khona no Rev Dumza ke ngincaka amavusana which is vele le khotmane le ngiliqaba ngisesentwana ngimamile ka si rap yabona nabo ma 7 yabona abo sifili kwani yabona bengizimamela shoot lezi aya bezingihlanganisa inhloko nje yayithola yeah bengifasana mangizimamela ngaze ngahlangana nazo vele
And how was it like in fact ukuhlangana no Rev
bengijabulile abengijabule
I still remember his songs, his song, Judgment Day. I even told
Judgment Day,
yeah,
yes.
I told him about that song. It's dog, that song. I still listen to that song till this day. Yeah, shout out to Rev Dumza, by the way. He also came to the show.
Salute.
Yeah, shout out to him actually. Yeah. Yeah. And then ngibone bekunonkinga la. Yamcava unkinga. Khona outyam nje unkinga lehlala ku wheelchair.
yeah
Yeah.
feeling benginayo shutile nayo ngaringa nayo yabona
Yeah.
kinguthi ngihlangane nayo vele like bese ngingesana isikhathi like bese ngijahile sengifuna ukubuya ekhaya yabo but ngahlangana naye ngakhuluma naye yabo wangitshela ukuthi sokhuluma efonini sashuda ke senze inkinto but okuningi asikhulumanga na
Awungitshela uthi khona ngincanyana ngani especially ngana amapantsula awuthiyami azimanihlangana mfethu the energy awuthiyami like it's love. It's love, gents. When in like lento like ukuthi ugqoke uncanye impahla zamapantsula isukela vawo thiyami like you've always wanted to be ipantsula like what is it and like about lento ipantsula uthiyami wena ole ubukhothane because abanye omunye uzoyithatha ukuthi
inkinga thina yabona thina inkinga manje sizishayile ezamapantsula ezikhothana amabhuju yabo yeah feel leyo culture lifestyle siphilile yabona but le bupantsuni from vele ngintwana sure ngintwana ngisasintwana madala mbika ngishayisa ama Alaska ngishayisa ama Dickies yabona ngishayisa ama zona lezi zinto lezi zamapantsula ama All Star nani beka ngigqokisa zona yabo until vele nami ngaze nga realize ukuthi kahle kahle yini ubupantsula yabo sure
no kuyazwakala uThemba kuyazwakala I would like to say nje thank you very much nje for pulling up to the show. It really means a lot. And we're also gonna have Young Shaka. Unfortunately, I will say this. I wanted to have them, both of them, on the show. Shaka, no shooter, but unfortunately, they prefer to go to Babenama like one-on-one interview, which is also cool. Which is also cool. But that's what I wanted to have. But now, Young Shaka, he will be on the show. Iskat Masamba. So shout out to him now. Pusha.
Shout out.
Pusha my gents and so keep doing up.
Lithini logish mo trend mfethu likuthatha kanjani because ngiyakuzwa ukuthi sometimes nokuba broke yabo etaxini uthola ukuthi banigibeza mahala because seniyaziyo
but
mhlambe lokushini bazoyitshela ukuthi hayi because niya trenda kuphi ninemali no.
But ukuba broke angithi akufani nokuthi uphuwa phela ukuba broke like into enyane tempo kakhe yabona ngenzeka boma leyo 2 hours
kube broke 2 hours
or leso sikhathi
then the next 3 hours
sengipopile ngiphandile yabona kanjalo inkinga inhlanhla umuntu awiyazi yabona but vele like ithina vele like ibusisi sazithole kasi yabona abo mama abadala basibonga izinto ezinjalo but bakhona abantu abangasijabuleli
usho kanje uThemba as much as you guys like doing something good like this khona abantu abangajabuleli
but thina angeke sibabone yabona uzosmile nami yabo but angeke ngisho mina ukuthi lo muntu lo akangifuni but yena uyazi
ukuthi
makakubi yabona
do you think it's real when that thing
ukuthi abantu bangakufuni behind your back
like ukuthi njengoba asho ukuthi as much as he's trending he feels like vele bakhona abantu abangayijabuleli lento ayenzayo as much as now like you're in an influencer space share your perspective dog.
I think it's true and this is very controversial mara it's the people who are closest to you laba abangafola under that category ukuthi abantu abangakufuni ukuthi uphumelele because umuntu ongakwazi wouldn't want anything bad ukuthi yenza like mangacavi I wouldn't say okay la ngicavi meli fail umuntu okubonayo ukuthi lo uzophumelela yibo labanjalo and close ku ngeke uzumcave as he just said ngeke uzumcave marukhona
phela thina like support abantu bangaphandle before support abantu base home ground abantu bangaphandle yibo like abayiyo ayilezi yabona yibo basinikile energy spirit nani basiphushisa abantu bangaphandle then laba abala ngaphakathi vele home ground khani vele sibabona manje ukuthi abajita bayaphusha abantswembu ini khani sebazama ukusinceda manje
injalo vele it's always like that ukuthi abantu laba abasedeni yiba bakusupport aqala that's why uzobona mawupost izinto esifana nezinto uyindaweni abantu abazilike aqala abantu ongabazi laba basekudeni
sure
laba bakwaziyo bona bahle
uzolike vele masedla boma
masekabona ukuthi okay laba sebayilike naye ingene injalo vele injalo isupport vele uzoqala uyithole from abantu abangakwazi before uzoyithola from abantu abakwazi injalo
hayi ona indlebe uzwile
akashare word of the day
ushange word of the day fade out
yes word of the day
ithina Themba
awuyenzi ungayazi ngayenzi into ongayazi hayi word of the day yami le awuyenzi ungayazi
phela nje
okay
ungayenzi into ongayazi
ingakhona abantu abayenza izinto abangazazi yabona ngenxa ukuthi ubona uKelox ubona ushuthi abayenza into kanje sebayayenza uyenza into angayazi loyo muntu
Themba usathatha lento le a lot of people in fact abazama imitate nani no like inthini like is it part of the growth into enigrowayo noma abantu nje abazama ukureplace nina sikhipha
nama understand but mina ngibona ngathi ni influence abantu ababhaya bo umsebenzi wethu yabona ngiyawuvuma and ngiyawubonga bo but khona abanye abantu bayenza like izinto abangazazi uthi uyayenza mara kayazi yabona thina siyazi yiko siyenza yabona as much as my creator uzoyenza into ebuya ku mindset yakho angeke ukuyenza into like ecala omunye umuntu That's editing, ya editor phela. Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, ungayenzi into ongayazi, yenza into oyaziyo. Yeah. Is there anyone who'd like to share something before we wrap it up? Sticho, awufuna kusha next kumjida mfethu. Phela you are there mfethu.
Sitsheke khuluma.
Ubani usitsheke?
Usitsheke,
Why
uyisitsheke.
am I saying Sticho man? Ngimthatha uphi Sticho manje?
Sitsheke.
Awufuna ukusigaya wena mhlambe iword of the year. Ukhelwa sinatha sigaya iword of the year,
Yeah,
usigaya
nayi,
iword of the year. Hayi, ukhelwa kusuna kwenza izinto.
Awusiphi isitsheke.
Zama-
Into engayisho mina ukuthini ukuphusha kubalekile.
Yeah.
Yeah, mawungaphusha uzoba green.
Yeah.
Into engayisho leyo nje.
Okay. I know guna stress. To everyone who's been watching, thank you guys for supporting. Please do continue. We see your love. Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. We are out.